So as we know, the tsunami warnings have been downgraded to an advisory. But of course, we're still seeing lots of aftershocks from this very powerful earthquake. We've seen dozens of them, and people are still not allowed to return to their homes. The tsunami warnings haven't been entirely lifted, and this is because the Japanese government and authorities are very concerned about potential damage. We know that hundreds of police officers, about 1,700 firefighters, 1,000 self-defense force personnel have been dispatched to this area in order to try to evacuate people, to get them to safer places. Of course, when the earthquake happened at 4:10 p.m. local time, people were expected to drop their things and evacuate immediately to higher ground. But we're hearing reports of people trapped under their houses, so unable to get out really.